Но еще не закончил в прошлый раз, поэтому... То есть я продолжу пандас. Там везде будет пандас. Все время. Насколько я понимаю. Ну, то есть... Okay, last time I finished on first assignment. I finished what the first six examples, and today we're gonna continue it. So, and this is my first try. Okay, so what I have to do again? Okay, so I finished on seventh assignment, seventh example. I had to display age statistics for each race and each gender. Okay, so what I have done yesterday. So I know how to display all statistics for race, for sex, same for race, for each race. Right now I need to combine it somehow, so I need to find yeah, I tried yesterday this thing. I tried to find all persons with this race and all men's, and try to find maximum age. Is it what I need to do? You see, find age of man of Amerindian Eskimo race. So yeah, I think I need just to what? Okay, I can't edit here, so I need maybe to go somewhere else. This is what I wanted to do. Edit. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It saves saved my my progress. Okay, so well, okay, maybe I need to run everything. Run all. Yeah, okay. I think I need just to use apply function here. Apply and npmax. And no. Okay, so I think I need to check here again. So okay. what I wanted is this thing. I wanted like to find yeah, did I listen? Well, I think I know what's the problem. I didn't yeah, use age here, so I found this data with this specific race with this specific sex, but I didn't specify what I need to maximize. I need to maximize age. So probably this will should work. No, this is not working. Kind of strange. Maybe again max, just max. Okay. So okay, what he will give me if I just do this? Kind of strange. I thought it would give me yeah, page and give me just well it seems like there is no such man who is Indian Eskimo as it says for okay, try it again. No, no, but yeah, true is wrong. So what what is wrong with this one? So I will call it, and I will call sex as well. Is equal. Yeah, I got it. I used man. I should use male. Yeah, yeah. That's the problem, I guess. Yeah, yeah. Yeah. I used wrong key. So, and if I will, if I will repeat again, I will get what I want, I guess. Yeah, 82. So, okay, cool. I think it's not. I'm not sure where should I use like H mix. Okay, what will happen if I remove 80? Okay, so hmm, well, I got it. So well, I had this number before 82, but I wasn't sure was it male or female, so I had to check it. But I'm not sure why do we need to use here group by. I can use like this string, that's all. So what I had to use. Okay, so yeah, I got this. Okay, next example. Among whom is the proportion of those who earn a lot greater, married or single men? Consider as married those who have marital status, starting with married spouse, spouse, or married AF spouse. The rest are considered bachelors. Okay, so I had to compare different types of men, who is married and who is single. So yeah, I am choosing first. Okay, so I'm choosing. What I have to do again. Okay, so I have men. So Okay, I have okay again. So well, we had the same example before. I had to choose males. I don't know. Maybe later I will invite some male and who else? And those who earn more than 50k, and yeah, that's the total number of men that I need to in this example total. And after that I need to find two numbers, males with 50k and who married, and the second number that I need to find is same as here, but not married, single. And after that I need to divide this number by all men, and this number by all men as well. Plugin. I don't know. So using also switched. Okay, we're using a mouse, so we switched U to the again, and stretch how it's work was better before. Yeah, so okay, we have total number, and we have two categories of people, who is married, who is single, and with this detail, and we need to find proportion of it. So I think it shouldn't be hard. What should I do? Okay, but okay, I think this will help me. Not sure that this is the optional way to do it, but if it's work, it's work. Okay, again, people with 50Ks, and here sex must be male. Male, okay. And this, okay, it's fine. One is one is not. Okay, okay. Okay, and I need to have to make a bigger, yeah, bigger, bigger condition. So yeah, not educational. Yeah, what is the again in the married. So what is the feature? Marital status. No, it's fine for me. Okay. So marital status must be this one, this one, or that one. Okay, and I will raise another conditions was from the last example, and I will check them first. Well, yeah, everything should be fine. Yeah, and I had to what? Yeah, I need. Well, okay, I will check what it will give me. Is it the number? No, it's something wrong with it. But again, maybe this I'm wrong with. Yeah, I did bad with it. Yeah, I need to add one more. Yeah, now it's fine, I guess. Yeah, 0, okay. Well, something is wrong. Yeah, well, I guess I did mistake again somewhere. I don't think that there are no men with marital status and salary less than. Okay. Again, what are marital status? You know? So again, salary is fine. Education. That's the wrong one. Here is my example, my current example, my current task. Okay, so 50k is fine. This one is fine. There's merit. Yeah, and one of these merit. Yeah, I have this one. This one. Okay. Property. Maybe I don't know. And delete one. One sentence again. Yeah, nothing's changed. Okay, so I think the problem condition is this one condition. I will delete it for now. So I will check if it's working for this. Add one more mark. Okay, and I will check what will give me. Yeah, well, this is fine. So okay. We'll add one more. Okay. For example, this one. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see. Hmm. Oh, yeah, well, I think I made one more space, so turns out it's crucial here. Okay. Was it fine now? I guess so. Yeah, okay. So we got this. we got all this guys, and what we need to do is the size of this massive of this array. Okay, no, no, no. I think it's syntax is mistake. Yeah, it's syntax mistake. I had invite on my desk. Okay, it's not fine. Yeah. Yeah, I did mistake here. I should use another package. Yeah, okay, so we got the number, and what we have to do, we have to yeah, divide it by what? Okay, well, that was can I use this one? Can I use variable? Yeah, I can. So it's fine. It's good. So yeah, we will add another variables like total numbers. Total number is male and person, people who get more than 50k. And singles. Singles. Okay, singles. Okay, singles is the same, but with another like marital status condition. So male 50k, and what else? And what are the status must be? Okay, so I guess I should like choose divorced, never married, separated, and widowed. Okay, where it is? So maybe I will copy it. Copy this. Okay, marital status must be first divorced, I guess. Second one must be never married. Okay, so what is this? Educational. Well, I did mistake actually. Okay, I will correct it later. So never married. I will correct it right now. Yeah, it's kind of strange that it's work because it shouldn't, in my opinion. Like we don't have married, spouse, absent, education. Okay, so I think it should be better. Never married, maybe that's married, rated, and widowed, I guess. Yeah, one more condition. Widowed. So yeah, we have married, we have singles, and we have total number of all these males. So okay, what I need to do right now is compare them. Yeah, come on, is proportional those when So divided by singles compared to no, singles totals total. And same singles. Okay, so we have more married persons than single one. Okay, well, actually, another thing that I want to check is, well, never mind. Okay, I will leave it. I think I got it. Okay, so next one. What is the maximum number of hours a person works per week? Hours per picture. How many people work such a number of hours? And what is percentage of those who earn a lot among them? Okay. So maximum number. How many people work such a number of hours, and what is percentage of those who earn a lot? Okay, so I need to find three numbers. Yeah, three. I need to check three facts. So what's the first one? First one is maximum number of work. Okay, so we solve this task several times, I guess. We just need to, I don't know, find, let it be this one. No, well, yeah, this one. So yeah, we need to find those hours per week. Hmm. Well, wait, I'm not sure how to do it exactly. Hmm. Okay, so let's go to the well, yeah, I think it's just this simple. So we just need to select uh, one column and select something min max. Is it fine? No, it's not fine. Yeah, shouldn't be fine. Yeah, well, 99. So, well, I guess that's a lot actually. 99 hours per week. That's crazy. Okay, so we got this. Next one. So, how many people work such a number of hours, and what is percentage of those who earn a lot? And we will work such a number. So okay, well, uh, hmm. Well, I guess I should do something like this. Data, this thing is equal to 99, and yeah, right. And I guess 8, 85 people. Okay, so I can do this another way, like this one, without certain number. What is it? 85? No, 85. Yeah, 85. So, okay. 85 people, yeah. I will save it like this. I think it should be better. I think it's better to not use certain numbers in these conditions. Okay, and we got this, and after that we need to find proportion. Yeah. So mhm. So okay, we need again total variable. Yeah, and what else we need? We need to find a certain percentage. So okay, I will write it this way, and how many of them works a lot. Data, yeah, same string, but with one more condition. So data, yeah, we will put it in panclass time, and another and add another condition, and yeah, and data salary must be is it must be equal to the greater than 50k. 50k, yeah, and we need this number. Is it? Yeah, we should call it. Yeah, called. Yeah, well, yeah, 25. So yeah, not so high. Yeah, we will get. Yeah, I think we can just like what we need percentage. Yeah, so divide by total and by 100. Yeah, 29%. Well, I guess hard working is not paid off well in this scenario. Okay. So okay, and last one. Well, I saw it has 11 examples now, only 10. So okay, but for me, count the average time of work. Count the average time of work hours per week for those who earn a little and a lot. Salary for each country, native country. What will this be for Japan? Okay, so okay, we need to calculate two numbers and find specific one. So yeah, what we need to do, we need to, okay, I will try to calculate it, to make this to complete this task without uh, without looking at another examples by myself. So okay, what we need to do, we need to find those who yeah, we need to find this mean average of this for those ah, ah, no, not this one. Okay. Well, I got it. So again, okay, a little bit sleeping right now. Okay. That's maybe, yeah. I'm not sure. I don't think that's hard question, hard task, but I think I can just like can't I should visualize it, but understanding. Okay, so count the average. Okay, so I need to select people who earn a little, less than 50k, and write it and select for each country, and I need to calculate average mean value, something like that. And I guess I can find for Japan in this table, but I guess maybe like for Japan, I don't know. Okay, so what again? How to count to do it? Is it in? Can I do it in one table? I think it should be much better to do it in one table. Well, I guess I should look how to do it exactly. How can I do it? Should I use like specific table or what? Okay, so I can use group by function in this. Like I should column every I should call every country group by again group by this by salary and and use this function only for mean. Well, okay, yeah, it's not counts to show. Well, this somehow I can use like okay. Well, I think I can just well, it's not so easy how to well, of course I can like use all of them and write them down, all of them down, but maybe it's better. Well, yeah, I think. Maybe I can group by native country. I think that would be better. Yeah, column for show. Yeah, column. Yeah, column to show would be salary, and yeah, and use function. Yeah, I think it would be yeah, yeah. I think that's the right way. So yeah, and just use mean function. Is it correct? No, it's not. So it's not needed, and I think I need to use webpen plus here. Okay, so I think this should work. No, yeah, same mistake. Okay, what's on? Maybe just okay. What's the problem? So maybe I can try to use another function. So okay, this is working, but maybe he doesn't know what is age aggregate function. Yes. Did I call in p function? Yeah, I think. Yeah, no. I did. I used import. I imported numpy. I guess it's fine. Yeah. I think I should check this function, aggregate function. Where is it? Okay, it's in pandas. Okay. I imported pandas, so it should be fine. So I guess I did something wrong with the group by. Okay. Understand. Maybe I should specify what kind of salary I need. I don't need every salary. I need just um, just less little salary. I need only this column. Yeah, and let's try it again. This aggregate function. Mm. Okay. Wrong one. Okay, let's try it again. I'm pretty sure that I need to use group by, but I'm not sure how exactly to do it. Okay. Group by, group by. Okay, well, grouping again. Okay. Oh, okay. I will use here not salary, maybe. You know, do we have like boolean function here? Something boolean. Um, no, we don't. I can use like boolean. I can replace boolean with salary, but I'm not sure that I need to do it. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Don't tell me that I undo all of my progress. I don't want to create all of them again. Not all of this again. Make all of this. Well, cool. I don't need to make it again. Okay, again, salary, native countries, count for sure. Not sure what's the problem. No result. Okay, maybe. Okay, it's replace. Hmm. So again, I can show it with describe. Hmm. Hmm. Well, I guess I got what's the problem. I don't install it in house per week. Yeah, and I think it's yeah. Okay, that was mistake. Yeah, well, I tried to try and mean average of two strings. It was probably not the best idea of mine. Okay, so we have these numbers for everyone and for every country. Yeah, and I need to find Japan. Okay, I found Japan. 80. Well, actually, I didn't uh, find what I need. I just need average for all of them. Okay, I need to specify salary. And how can I do it? Yeah, well, it's not what I need to do. What I needed to do. I need to find another one. Okay, how can I specify this? Okay, so where is group by? Uh, mhm. Well, ideally, what I need to do is like found to average like for those who earn a lot and for those who earn a little. Not sure how to do it exactly. Yeah. Right here I can like add only show. Yeah. Maybe interesting. Can I add? Maybe I can. Yeah. Well, I think I can try to add here one condition. So native countries and maybe okay. I will try only one time, and I will try to after that to check by function in general how it's works. Yeah, it's kind of strange. By. Okay, group by that I'm using a mapper. So by the function it's called to each frames. Examples. Okay, for examples. Okay. Well, I have actually idea. Can I just erase all of these who earn a lot? I can add a little communism here. So and only after that I can like calculate average. Yeah. Well, what I can erase? Erase. I think I read that how it should be. Okay. Done. Okay, so what I need to do, what I have want to do, is drop these axes, these lines, that rows that has salary with more than 50k. Can I do it? Exactly. So okay, well, I can try to make another odd line data, and I will later drop. Well, I want to drop lines, so I need to use here 0. Here I should do false, because I don't want to iterate original one, and I want to, well, I'm not sure. Can I do it? Can try this data, data salary is equal to more than 50k. Okay, it seems like it should work, but I think maybe not. And I will call data one. No, it's not working. Okay, well, I think there is a way to do it, but this is exactly how I can do it. So, okay, again, Okay, maybe I will do a little break, so I can recharge myself. Maybe I think it should help me. Yeah, about 5 minutes will be enough. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Maybe I shouldn't use group by. Then no, maybe if can I use this one? Add salary here. Maybe I shouldn't. I don't mean this. Yeah, well, yeah, well, I think I already done this. Yeah, well, how to add salary? Well, maybe. So I can choose this there. Those who earn more than 50k, less than 50k. and can apply group by function to this table. Okay, well, I think yeah, I don't need to use it for my idea with removing those who earn more was fine. I just need to add little adjustments. So data one, group by native. Yeah, I think now it should work. So before it was like in average it was 41 now to the 40, 48, 44. I think yeah, if I am right, I will. If yeah, if I'm right, to change a little. Yeah, it's changed. Yeah. So yeah, well, I think I did it. I made it. Yeah, and again, I should check Japan. Japan. Where is Japan? 41. Well, yeah, maybe I can use here min. I don't need all of these stats. Yeah, so, okay, well, yeah. The main idea is just to correct or, I don't know, to change a little bit table and, yeah, just to change table. The region table, yeah, and work with adjustment, with this adjustment. Okay, I finished it. And what I need to do now? Well, right now I need to check what I have done. And for this purpose, it has web page, web form, yeah. Okay, in next, yeah, about the adult data set. You don't have to download the data, it's already here. The answers in the web form. Okay, so by submitting the form, you will see a link to the site. Okay. Well, what was they meant by demo and check answers? Okay, first, how many men and women are using this data set? Okay, I don't know. I've done this. Have I done? I don't know. Okay, so I got this number of men's. Well, I guess I got only. Well, I got only total number of all of them. Yeah, and I need. Yeah, I didn't finish that task. So okay, let's let's uh, let's correct it. I don't need shape. I don't need bin. I don't need h. I just so we have 10,070 and woman. Yes, that's correct. Okay, next one. What is the average age of woman? That's 36.6. Okay, next one. What is the percentage of German citizens? 0.40. What is the mean and standard deviation of age for those who earn more than 50k? controversial for those who earn more than 50 and those who earn less. So, well, I need only the second string here. 44 age mean and standard deviation is 10.5. So 44 plus minus. Okay, so I guess this one. 44, yeah, and 10. Okay, so it's great. Well, next one. Is it true? Well, I guess no. We got only 5%. 6. Find the maximum age. I think it was 88. Well, I need female, male age. Again, of man. Well, I guess, yeah, that's a different question. It was a different question. So again, I need to find maximum age of man. No. I did wrong. Of Emma, Indian Eskimo. Yeah, turns out it's 82. Okay, next one. Among whom um, okay, singles more than married. Okay, let's read again. Among whom is the proportion of those who earn what? More than 50k, greater, married or single man? Yeah, I think I checked it. So before last, what is the maximum number of hours a person work per week? Ask how many people work such and what is percentage of those who earn? Well, it was 82. How many people work like this? 85. Yeah, and percent, yeah, 29. So yeah, we got this. And the last one. Um, what will this be for Japan? Yeah, well, and then I think, yeah, where it is. So I think, yeah, this one is for everyone, 40%, 40, and stage. I got 41. And in Japan it was, what? Japan it was 41. Yeah, well, I got it. What will be Japan? Well, for Japan it's obviously 41. Yeah, but for all of them it's only 40. So yeah, I think that's the correct one. But maybe should I put like team? Well, I'm not sure. Well, yeah, and not this time. Okay, well, well, uh, what does it mean? 5. Well, I got it. It was a double question. I've somehow managed to skip it. So, those who earn less. Okay, less it was 36 and 14. 14. Okay, 37. Okay, yeah, and that should be fine. Okay. Yeah, I will check solution, of course, and I want to use my score. Whoa, I did some mistakes. Strange. Yeah, fine. Okay, so right now I will check my solutions. So I've made some mistakes. Not sure how. Okay, so well, I will check all of them just to be sure that I did. So I'm not sure that I'm definitely not sure that I did it in optional way. So in order to improve myself, yeah, let's just okay. So yeah, well, okay, first one wasn't so great for me because is it my version? Yeah. Well, yeah. So yeah, doesn't score exactly. Or maybe I need to. I'm, I did bad with proportions somehow. So yeah, well, yeah, it was a optional way, of course. Data 6. Yeah, well, it was better. Well, but I guess I did fine in order to like to. All I wanted is just to find a specific number for males and for females. So I think it's fine. Okay, next one. I did it correct. Block. Uh, yeah. Well, I underused this function, but it's very so. Okay, well, I will. How does it work? Well, I think it should create like another table, and yeah, it's made another table. Yeah, for specific age. Yeah, it give me like no. Well, I did, yeah, it was what then? How does it work? Okay, how blocks function works again? It should give me like table with new indexes. Block. Okay, so okay. Yeah, let's move on. What is proportion of German citizens? Well, yeah, I did it fine, I guess. So what he did? What's the right solution? What's the right solution? Yeah. Well, okay. So he just sums it. He used function sum. Well, okay. So okay, next one. Well, my solution, I guess, is better than he than original one. Maybe not. Maybe yes. I don't know. Okay, it's fine. Is it true that, well, this one wasn't so good? Yeah. Is it true that, okay, so he display, wait. Ah, well, yeah, I just misclicked it. Yeah, my answer was like yes, no. I mean no, because I got the number only 5% of all of them have this education. Yeah, in the original one, he also created like display all of the education of people who earn more than 50K, and yeah, you can all we can see that there is no connection with this, like even seventh grade person can make this money. Yeah, but yeah, maybe my answer like maybe a little proper than his one. Yeah, and yeah, yeah, my answer was no. Yeah, well, maybe I misread something, misunderstood this question a little bit. Yeah, okay, so I'm fine here. Okay, next one. Display statistics for age. Of age. Insurance to use group by. Yeah, well, he used some Python here. I try to hold myself in specific case, in specific format. I try to use only like data frames and without. Well, okay, it's a good example actually. So okay, for ASX, SumDef. What is SumDef? Okay, what have I done exactly? Display age statistics for each race. For each race, each gender. Hmm. Okay. So, okay, what if I use just this one? It gives me. Okay, so code and okay, kind of. I just copy it. So how it's work? We hmm. Okay, I'm not exactly sure how it's work. Well, yeah, I think I should just. Well, maybe I should just improve myself a little bit and ask a question. well, okay, I will add my question list. So yeah, week 1. It's actually, yeah, it's not so obvious how it's works. I have like experience with Python, so I'm not sure what is subdev, sub, how it's what we are doing. Okay, race. Yeah, qualities. Done. Check solution. Solution of 7. Okay. Okay. There is another one which I did wrong. Among whom is the proportion of those who earn a lot greater? Married? Well, so he choose males with specific marital status and salary. Okay, so where is the end of this? Okay, is it first? Okay, well, so he choose male and with this marital status and another, yeah, salary. So male in the columns and salary on the lines. Okay, so and what? Well, it's actually kind of, it's not so clear as well how he made this. So okay, he exactly how it's works. Well, I think the main problem is I don't really understand how to use log function. So well, I guess. So again, not exactly sure how he made it. here. What he's doing here? Just males. United status. Start with. Okay, so yeah, well, I don't know this function, but I guess yeah, it just trick. We want to count those who started with merit. Well, yeah, I got it. So here he calculated singles man, and here he calculated yeah, married man, yeah, and yeah, it seems, yeah, if you're married, yeah, lots of people made like lots of money, this kind of money. Okay, so okay, well, it's fine. I got it. Yeah. Okay. Well, last one, 9 and okay. So yeah, this one was fine for me. Yeah, we will check how I made this. 9, 9, 9, 9. So yeah, same one. Okay, so yeah, I think it's the same. Yeah, it's the same for me. Just with some uh, with some adjustments with the sprint function. I don't really need it. Yeah, I did the same, so it's good. Yeah, and the last one was most hardest for me, probably. Okay, simple method. What we have done? So yeah, what I did? I deleted one of the. I choose only uh, those who earn less than 50K. Yeah, and yeah, so well, it was better. Yeah. Okay, so less than 50K. So 40 point Japan. Well, less than 50K, 41. Okay, cross step. Well, cross step, yeah, I thought about that, but I didn't make it. So again, data native country, data salary, values, house per week, add function, aggregate function, and this thing. So okay, well, it's the same. Okay, Japan, Japan, Japan. Well, I guess yeah, it's their mistake actually. It should be 41 as well. Okay, let's read this again. Coverage those who earn a little and a lot for each country. Well, and what was the question? Yeah, yeah. Well, yeah. I misunderstood question again. So yeah, I need to write for Japan two numbers, and I put like for all of them was 40%. 40 hours per week, and for Japan it was 41. Yeah, I maybe the question was not so fast, not so. Yeah, well, actually no. What again? Count the average. Yeah, well, actually, I think the question. Uh, yeah, I guess yeah, it's mistake for them on them. Yeah, well, yeah, I will save them later. Then, uh, they have correct question. Pull them and so okay. Well, I think I've done the first topic, the first week. Um, well, what was not so clear? Well, I guess I need more practice. I just need more practice. Yeah, I underuse log function, and yeah, that's all I think. Oh, okay. So yeah, first topic is fine. First topic is finished. So I guess I can move to the next one, to the next topic, or to the next week one or week two. So I think yeah, it's also about data. It's also about pandas. It's about visualization. It's still not about machine learning. I think so. Yeah, well, but like I said, I have a lot of experience with it, so I need to I need to work with it as well. Okay, read two articles. Yeah, well, this time I will go to the career of the book, so I will not read statistic version. So it will be better for me. Like I can practice while reading. So yeah, and I will not watch video maybe after stream, cause why? Cause yeah, I think it just repeats what it's article, so it's not just waste of time. Maybe I will watch later. I can try to do it with by myself. Okay, so let's move on. The role of visual data analysis is hard to overestimate. This is how new insights are found in data and how features are engineered. Here we discuss mainly data techniques and how they are implemented in practice. Also take a sneak peek into multidimensional feature space using the TSNE algorithm, which sometimes is useful but mostly just draws such Christmas tree decoration. Okay, so okay, let's move on. Okay, I will check statistic version as well. Maybe they are different. It wouldn't be so great. Yeah, yeah, I guess they are the same. The field. Um, yeah, I think they are the same. Yeah. Well, so yeah, I will copy and will work in here. So in the field, well, I guess I can read the abstract here. In the field of machine learning, data visualization is not just making graphics for reports, it's used extensively in day-to-day work for all phases of a project. To start with, the installation of data, think one tends to do when dealing with a new text. We do preliminary checks and analysis using graphics, interest to the data and important details. It's much more convenient for us humans to grasp the main points this way than by reading many lines of raw data. It's amazing how insights can be gained from simply with available visualization tools. Next, when we analyze the performance of a model or report results, we also often use charts and images. Sometimes for interpreting a complex model, we need to approach high-dimensional spaces. Okay. All in all, visualization is a relatively fast way to learn something new about your data. Thus, that it's vital to learn its most useful techniques and make them part of your everyday ML toolbox. Exactly, we are going. Okay, so pandas, matplotlib, and cbar. Okay, so yeah, okay, let's move on. Let's initialize our environment. Okay, that's the same. We can comment the following two lines. You would like to okay, so yeah, well, I think I can ignore them as well. Okay, that's for visualization PLT plot and as what's in retina format I'm sharpening. Okay, so it's our libraries, it's our packages, and yeah, so yeah, I think it's fine. So move on. Okay. Okay. So what's the problem? Okay. Okay, it's kind of strange. Yeah, well, I guess everything was fine. I don't know what's happened. Okay, so what do I got? Well, well, I think it's the same dataset that we used in uh, the first lesson, so it's fine. Here is description of our field. So okay, here is description of our future state. Okay, so yes, it's fine. Quantitative national plan. Okay, well, yeah, I don't want to memorize all of it to remember everything. I don't need it actually, but yeah, I remember some of them. Yeah, and we had the chunk variable before. We wanted to, like, I don't know, minimize it or something. Somehow estimate it as the last data column. Um, in the original. Okay, this one will indicates conventionals. Yeah. Okay, so I think it's important definition of target variable, what we want to predict. Okay, so I think it's clear. This is why we call it target. Okay, so we want to like predict how many people or how many, I don't know, customers will leave us and how many will not. Okay, we had like something like some hold like in 85% last time. So we will see what will happen in this one, in this question, in this lesson. Visualization. Okay. Invariant analysis looks at one feature at a time. When we analyze a feature independently, we are usually mostly in the definition of what it's step and go as features and so yeah, we watch on one variable. Yeah, and like in probability theory, we just I don't know, we just research it and finding and try to find trying to analyze it. Yeah, well, it's the same as in probability theory. Okay, below we will consider different statistical types or in statistical types of features and the corresponding to the individual visual analysis. Okay, so once your features taken on ordered numerical values, those values can be discrete. How do we order it, and how it's ordered? Not so clear. Those values can be discrete, like integers, continuous, like non visual, and measurement. Okay, so this is the way to take the distribution for a numerical variable is to plot. Okay, so yeah, I done. So okay, so we will see on two variables, and we will create plot histogram. Okay, how's it working? We use features and use histogram function, and this is size of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Well, I think this numbers of columns, this number of uh, columns or strings, I don't know. Well, not sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, no, I don't know what this is. Well, I think I should check it. I should check it. Google. Google. Well, I need to fix what is the number of it? I don't understand. Fix size is okay. We need to fix size. What is fix size? Size in inches of the figure to create. Use the value in. So what will happen if I just make little adjustments? 1, 1. Okay, so I guess it's I got it. So that's the size of it. Like I can increase it in on x size on x axis on y axis. So in groups values into bins of equal value range. The shape of the histogram may contain rules about the underlying. Yeah, like in every histogram, yeah, we use different bits for different range. The shape of the histogram may contain clues about the underlying distribution type. Yeah, you can also spot any skewness and linear regular, but has some anomalies. Knowing the distribution of the features values becomes important when you use. Well, yeah, it's actually a really important thing because I have like a really big problem with it. I don't understand how to use like this anomalies in the real life. So I know about this thing. I can like write the definition, but what it is and how to use it, I actually don't know. Okay, in the above plot, we see that variable total day minutes is normally distributed. Yeah, well, yeah, it's true. While total is prominently skewed right, its tail is longer on the right. Yeah, and what does mean? There is also another often clearly density plots, or more formally kernel density plots. They can be treated as small. Yeah. Yeah, well, okay, density plot. Yeah, okay, so good to see it. Possible plot distribution of observation is Seaborn this plot. For example, let's look at the distribution of total day minutes. By default, the plot displays both the histogram and the trend. What is this? Ah, well, okay, it's cool. I don't know what it is. Okay, it's possible to plot a distribution of observation with sample plot. For example, let's look at distribution of total day minutes. By default, the plot displays both the histogram with on top. Okay, so what will do? Ah, well, okay, he will. Okay, I got it. So he will do it as well. He will, yeah, he will he puts both of histogram and dense plots on the same plot, on the same, yeah. Bars here is normed, and yeah, and also it's wasn't it normalized? Didn't, yeah, it's kind of. Ah, well, yeah, in the original one he didn't normalize values of it, and now he did. Yeah, well, it's good to see it. Okay, so well, the question is what is this kernel? Yeah, well, I know what is density function. Yeah, maybe that's the density function. That's just density function. And by default, the plot displays both hidden and visible. Okay, well, yeah, I will write it down. Write it somewhere here. Okay, same template. Linear function. Yeah, well, Okay, I will read it after stream. So, well, I think yeah, it's basic. It's obviously somehow connected with density function. Maybe it's like some kind of estimation of it, but I'm not sure. Okay, so let's move on. Bars here is normed and shown and density rather than the number of examples. And box plot. Another useful type of visual is a box plot. Yeah, Bond does a great job here. Well, this topic is a little bit boring, but I guess that's important one. I don't like visualization. Okay, so that's how to interpret box plot. Its components are box, obviously, is why it's called the so-called whiskers, and number of individual plots outlined. Is a box by itself illustrates the interplot transition. Its length is determined by. Okay, so yeah, I guess. So it's the vertical. Okay, so again, what it says. What it says again? Well, it made it made not sure what this. Well, okay. It's kind of hard to understand. Well, yeah, I think I will need another break. Kind of hard. I will be in 10 minutes. It's just okay. Let's continue. So, okay, what have we done? Okay. Well, what again? What box plot? Okay, so type of visualization is a box plot. Okay, so we choose one column, calls, initial calls, I guess, and we choose our data frame. And okay, so how it's working next? Let's see how to data its components and box, obviously, discuss, and the number of individual points. Okay, so we have box with some range, and we have points. Well, okay, so cool. The box by itself says the distribution. So box length is yeah, this one between first quantile and the third one. The vertical line inside the box marks the medium of distribution. Okay, so the median, I guess. Звідки the line expanding box? They represent the entire response. Yeah, not so clear what it is. Outliers. Okay, well, yeah, it doesn't. It doesn't. Yeah. Well, I will add another question. Box plot. I will try to go through it later. It will box plot. Okay, so what's next? Violin plot. The last type of distribution plots that we consider is violin plot. Look at figure below. On the left, we see already familiar box plot. On the right, there is a violin plot with the kernel density estimate on both sides. Where is exactly kernel density estimate? I'm not sure. Difference between the box and violin plots is that the former illustrates certain concerning individual examples. For the violin plot, trades more on the smooth distribution as a whole. In our case, the violin plot doesn't contain any additional information. Everything is clear from the box plot alone. Describe. Additional. Well, we already had this function. Yeah, well, yeah, we had this already, so I think clear what it is. It gives us like basic statistics. Its output is mostly self-explanatory. Sorry, the corresponding to this. Okay, let's move on. Oh. Yeah, categorical and binary feature. Fixed number one. Each of these relations the corresponding group. Now, the category reflects quality of the binary variables in a special case of categorical is exactly. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, I think I will call a lot this time. Yeah, I kind of that. So yeah, I will update what I have done, and I will continue tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, okay. So